Welcome. In front of me I've got OMODA 5 EV. In this video I'll show you basic electric motor maintenance tutorial. Follow me. Let's start with the theory. Since this car is electric, we don't have the petrol engine, so we don't have oil to change and other maintenance around the petrol engine. But the electric motors and electric cars still need to be checked. Let's start with the engine bay. Inside the engine bay we can find washer fluid reservoir, coolant reservoir, and here, when we lift this up, we can find battery and brakes fluid reservoir. If you need to check your VIN, it's located here, here and here. Always make sure that the fluids are in the correct level. Here, under the hood, you can find sticker with recommended, with required AC refrigerant type and its amount. Next, take a look at the tires. You can check tire pressure of your car via screen display in front of the driver. To find it, press 2 pages button on the steering wheel and it's located right here. Now let's check if this car has spare tire. Since OMODA 5 EV is latest car, it does not have spare tire. Under the trunk you can find compressor and sealant for tires here. Always on the compressor and on the sealant you can find tutorial how to use them. If you want to check recommended tire pressure, take a look behind driver's doors. Right here we've got this sticker. Next, let me tell you about the service schedule. For the electric version, the standard schedule maintenance frequency is every 12 months or 20,000 kilometers approximately, whichever comes first. What service is required and when? Annual service, cabin air conditioning filter, full diagnostic software scan, brakes system inspection, underbody and battery shield inspection, suspension, steering and tires. Every 2 years or 40,000 kilometers, brake fluid flush, reduction gearbox oil, and every 4 to 5 years, battery coolant replacement. And that's basically it. Make sure to follow service schedule of your car to maintain its well behavior. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.